rudder. Wait a minute. I'm going to put that there. Rudder. Okay. Can you show? Yeah. Can you show? Brother Cram said, "Can you show us the boat?" Yeah, I can show the boat. And then that what I mentioned is rudder. 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 So that one. So let me go back to the video. Okay. So this one, the rudder, and also this one, this one, the like the one piece of a fan. Like that. This one is like the LEC or the rudder, and this one is how the when you this is a small one that can drive you where you're going. This one is connected to this one, and then there is a bamboo connected this one, so that the driver, the pilot, the pilot of the boat, how you call that, the pilot of the boat, move this one wherever you want to go. So this one is the one will lead you wherever the driver, anyway, you know that already, but I'm just anyway. So they are trying to make sure that this one will not touch on the ground, because if this one will touch on the ground,